Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to force another program's standard output to be unbuffered using Python. Unbuffered output means that the program will immediately display its output without waiting for a new line character or a full buffer. This can be particularly useful when interacting with external processes or programs that don't flush their output buffers regularly. We will be using the subprocess module to achieve this. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. This tutorial was created with Python 3.x in mind, but the principles are applicable to Python 2.x as well. First, import the subprocess module, which allows us to run external commands and interact with their input and output streams. You can use the subprocess.Popen function to run the external program and establish a connection to its standard output. In this example, we'll use the ls command in a Unix-like environment, Linux or macOS, as the external program. You can now read and display the program's output. In this example, we will read and print each line of the output as soon as it becomes available. After you have read all of the program's output, it's good practice to wait for the external program to complete using external_process.wait. This step is optional, but it ensures that the external program has finished executing before your Python script exits. Here's the complete Python script that demonstrates how to force another program's standard output to be unbuffered. Replace ls with the command of the external program you want to run. Now you know how to force another program's standard output to be unbuffered in Python using the subprocess module. This can be particularly useful when you need to interact with external programs that don't flush their output buffers regularly. ChatGPT.